Welcome friends to the video. I hope you are doing well today. And Foxify is a project which is launching in a couple of months, and it lets you buy and trade anything in a decentralized way. And when I say anything, I really do mean anything in terms of crypto, commodities, stocks, Forex. So a lot of people are going to be interested in this project, and they're also doing a free NFT mint, which does have a lot of perks to it, which I'm going to get into in a minute. And Foxify is brought to you by the same team that made the utterly successful MDB project. So Foxify is going to be a solid project. So maybe right now you're thinking, okay, cool, great, a free NFT, but I'm not a trader and I use Binance to do all my fiat onboarding and all my swapping. So why would I even be interested in Foxify? And I hear you, I understand this question. You should be interested in Foxify because it does everything that a centralized exchange like a Binance can do, but it makes it decentralized, meaning it can't ever freeze your assets. It can't ever rug you. It can't ever stop you from withdrawing. Because you see, platforms like Binance or a lot of the other big ones are centralized, meaning there's maybe one person or there's two people which sort of have command over the whole thing. So for example, with Binance and CZ, technically if he wanted to, he could freeze withdrawals and he could take a whole bucket load of cash for himself right off into the sunset and never be seen again. Decentralized means nobody can do that. The smart contract has control over it all. There's no human error or human greed or emotion which is going to stuff it all up. And when the next market cycle does come around and the flood of new money does come in, where do you think these people are going to go? Are they going to go to exchanges that can freeze your withdrawals and take your money? Or are they going to go to the exchanges which can't freeze your withdrawals or take your money? It's the ones that can't freeze. But now the real cool news is that lots of projects are going to want to launch on Foxify, meaning that NFT holders are going to get early access to all of these projects. You're going to get access where you might not normally get access. And this, along with a whole lot of other perks, is where the free mint NFT comes in. The mint happens on April the 22nd, and you can mint 3 different tiers of NFT based on the different tasks that you complete. Each NFT lets you join Team Dan, and it gives you lots of perks such as things like up to 20% off trading fees. It also gives you early access to projects that you might not normally have early access to, and this is only going to be for the NFT holders. So anybody who is part of my team and has the NFT is going to get early access to these projects. And you know the importance of getting early access to projects, and sometimes ask me, how do you get early access? And owning one of these NFTs is going to be a really simple way to know about upcoming projects before they do even launch. Foxify also intends to give airdrops and prizes to the most active teams or the biggest teams or the most trading volume or, all these other metrics. The specific details are still yet to be released, so we can just look out for this in the future. The NFT is free to mint, so there's not a whole lot to lose. And as the team leader, you're also going to be helping me and the channel because I'm going to get a tiny, tiny fraction of any of the swap fees that all you guys do, which is going to allow me to keep doing what I do, which is to bring you great projects and also to warn you about the bad ones. You have to get on the whitelist to get an NFT, and it's pretty easy to do that. All you've got to do is just go through and do some tasks like inviting people to Discord, following their Twitter, following their YouTube, and other pretty easy things. I'll leave a link in the pinned comment and also the description of where you need to go if you do want to mint the NFT and to get onto the whitelist. Spots are filling up pretty quickly, so click on the link and go check it out. And I really am excited to have you on my team if you do decide to join it. Let's go and discover those hidden gems together. And I'm curious too what you think about the project, so please leave a comment because I do always love hearing from you. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.